I'm glad to now have a leather-like iPhone case because like I said, it's been a while. Apple got rid of theirs, so this is pretty cool. So last year, Apple stopped selling all their leather iPhone cases and released their fine woven cases. And then this year, they stopped selling their fine woven cases. So if you want leather or a leather imitation material, you have to go to third parties. And that's where this guy right here comes in, folks. This is the Cactus leather case from OtterBox for the brand new iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I'm super excited to check it out because I've never heard of or tried Cactus leather before, so I'm curious what it's like. But before we start getting out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But anyway, let's start checking it out. Here we go. So here's the box for this new Cactus leather OtterBox case, and they also sent me this little explainer card with it. So for a leather alternative that's made from plants and still durable, dress your device in Symmetry Series Cactus leather for MagSafe, the Cactus-based leather alternative phone case with serious style. Learn more on their website. And also on the back of this, I've got some pictures of different color options for this case. Right here, obviously I have brown, but it looks like it also comes in purple, green, and black. We're now back to this specific case itself. Over here on the front, it says it is 3 times drop tested by military standard for obviously the 16 Pro Max. And on the back, it says it's ethical, beautiful, and durable, but I will be the judge of that. So anyway, let's pop open this box and pull out the case itself here. And then let's just go ahead and start getting it on my 16 Pro Max. Now on the inside of the case, it says OtterBox, and we can pop my phone in. Over here on the side, as you can see, one of the first things that jumps out to me is it's got a big cutout for the camera control button that's new to this phone. So we can go ahead and launch that there. And we can zoom in and out. Obviously that works just fine. Over here, we've got the side button as well. If you want to speak to Siri right there. On this side, we've got the action button. Okay, so I can put the ringer on and turn the ringer off. And we've also got some volume buttons over here. Then over on the bottom, we got cutouts for the speaker grills as well as the USB-C port. Lastly, over here on the back, we've got some raised edges around the rear camera array. And I can kind of faintly see where the MagSafe magnets are in this case, because obviously, it supports MagSafe if you want to go ahead and use all those very cool accessories for your phone. And then also on the front of this device where that beautiful new 6.9-inch screen is, you'll notice that there is a slightly raised lip around the front of the phone. So in theory, if you put it down on a flat surface, the screen should not get scratched. But now let's talk a bit more about this leather here. So let me see, I'll just feel it a bit. And I will say, to me, if you did not tell me this was imitation leather, I'm definitely not a leather expert, so I think I could believe it is real leather because it looks like it. It's got the little, grainy patterns. But again, folks, disclaimer, I'm no leather expert. And I also really like about this case kind of the contrast between the buttons and the Cactus leather itself. They're like a slightly lighter shade of brown that almost looks coppery to me, so I think that's pretty cool. And now I'm also noticing right here, there's an OtterBox logo etched into the side, so that's nice. You can feel that. And yeah, I'm glad to now have a leather-like iPhone case because like I said, it's been a while. Apple got rid of theirs, so this is pretty cool. Also, I will note this case definitely feels good in the hand because that leather-like material adds some grippiness to the phone. It's also super slim and light as well, so I think this is a really solid case. I also like how it looks with my Desert Titanium iPhone right here. I think the brown of this Cactus leather really complements the rose gold of my phone very well. So yeah, overall, I'm a fan of this case right here. Definitely let me know down in the comments what you guys think of it. And have you tried Cactus leather before? Is that a thing you like, or would you rather have real leather? And if you are interested in buying this case for yourself, it will set you back about $60. So I feel like that's a pretty fair price because it's only about 10 bucks more than Apple's first party cases, and you do get this cool leather-like material. If you are in the market though for your very own 16 Pro Max case, definitely be sure to check out my playlist of all the different cases for this device that I've unboxed on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. I'll have a link to that down in the description of this video. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.